Welcome back everyone to another update from Camp Now. Before we get into the construction progress, let's start with some amazing scenes from the pitch. Over 60,000 fans filled the stands, with powerful chants and coordinated displays creating an electric atmosphere. The stadium already looks incredible, vibrant colors everywhere, and an energy that truly brings this place to life. It's a great glimpse of how special this stadium is becoming, witnessing a venue in transformation as everything continues to take shape. And today, we're taking you on a full stadium construction tour at Camp Nou, where progress is growing day by day. Black panel installation has progressed rapidly. Previously incomplete sections are now fully finished, while new areas have already reached mid-installation, highlighting a highly efficient and consistent workflow. A major advancement has been seen in anchor installations. Large portions of the structure, especially in upper areas, are now completed, signaling preparation for the next phase, particularly louver installation and external systems. New structural elements, including pillars and radial beams, have been delivered to the site. There is now a noticeable increase in materials available for expanding the compression ring, with multiple beams staged and ready for installation. At the south goal, ground-level activity remains limited. However, the upper structure shows clear progress, with scaffolding and slab panels now covering the entire section, reflecting steady advancement. Interior corridor work is not fully visible, but ongoing movement confirms continued activity. Metal connectors for future louver supports are being installed, with similar preparation already marked on adjacent beams. Near the corner section, sandwich panels are being actively transported and installed. Some gaps still remain in the lateral structures, indicating that installation is still in progress. Workers on elevated platforms continue alignment and assembly across multiple levels. Safety remains a top priority across the site. Protective netting, guardrails, warning signs, and regular safety checks are all in place to ensure maximum protection for workers operating at different levels. The compression ring is becoming one of the most dominant features of the structure. Its full scale is now clearly visible, marking a crucial milestone in the stadium's structural development. Work is actively ongoing as teams prepare connection points for new segments that will soon be integrated into the existing framework. Additional scaffolding has been installed to support upcoming lifting operations. At the same time, large structural components are already positioned nearby, signaling that major assembly work is about to begin. In the north goal section, louver installation remains temporarily paused. This is due to ongoing upper structure work, with visible markings indicating that protective coatings must be completed before installation resumes. Workers continue installing anchors in previously untouched areas using elevated platforms. At the same time, cranes are actively operating, likely positioning structural components not fully visible from ground level. At higher levels, cranes are removing formwork panels. This indicates that concrete pouring has been completed and cured, marking a transition from primary construction to finishing and integration phases. Significant progress is visible in beam installation for vertical systems like elevators. Workers are securing these beams using cranes and platforms, with steady progress observed in recent days. The prefabricated seating section in the south goal is nearing completion. Only minimal sections remain unfinished, indicating that this phase is almost finalized. Across the stadium, workers continue welding and reinforcing upper structural elements. Cranes remain active, and scaffolding is still heavily used, especially at higher levels, confirming ongoing vertical development throughout the structure. The tribuna area currently shows the highest level of activity across the entire site. Cranes, lifts, and concrete pumps are all operating simultaneously, creating a highly dynamic and fast-paced working environment. That's today's Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned with us. We'll see you in the next video.